TGIF. Happy Friday, everybody. It's Vincent from Motorcycle Mover, and we are high above Los Angeles today, 25 floors high. And the reason is because we have a few very, very special and extraordinary motorcycles to move. This is the Majestic. It was restored by Serge at Heroes Motors. Not surprising. And this was formerly owned by Steve McQueen. Got a couple more up here we'll be moving. So here we are today, Motorcycle Mover, 25 floors above Los Angeles, moving motorcycles. If you're out there today, ride safe, everybody.